high-end home decor items can get pricey fast. Even just a couple of things can be budget busters. Fortunately, we know just the lady to help us recreate the feel at a fraction of the price. Katie Taylor of the blog Spray Paint and Chardonnay is here with some fantastic decorating DIYs. These are inspired by designers and they're awesome.
Yes.
I love
so my favorite thing to do, I always like to say I like to ball on a budget, is a look for less. I love to find stuff. I mean, if we all had an endless budget, we would go buy everything, but we don't. So I really enjoy kind of recreating inspired looks that don't break the bank and are super easy on the wallet.
Let's start with the lamps because I love both of them.
These are just ripped straight from the house. So Kelly Wersler, who's a great interior designer, makes gorgeous, gorgeous lamps. And this one is inspired by her, and I think hers cost about $800-something, which, I mean, we don't need to pay a full month's rent on one lamp. So these are both Target lamps that I got wooden beads. I think they're 1/2-inch or 1-inch beads from the craft store. And then just hot glued them on. And for this black one, I spray painted it after I hot glued them on. And then this wood one, it kind of just was serendipitous and worked out that the beads matched the lamp, so I didn't have to paint it. So it's kind of a fun, sculptural, modern look.
Cool.
And they're really cute and fun and a great conversation piece. They're more than just your average lamp.
I love them. Okay, let's talk about DIY art.
Art can get really, really expensive, but it doesn't have to be. There's a ton of ideas out there that you can do, your kids can do. So on the far right, it's just a canvas, again from the craft store. I think I got it like a packet of 10 for maybe 20 bucks. So, I mean, that's a $2 canvas, and I just did some painting around the house this weekend, painted a couple of rooms, so with leftover paint, I just kind of did a little abstract, modern stripes, and you could even give your kids some paint and a brush and have them go crazy, and they can do an abstract and go have it framed or just put a frame on it, put it on the wall, and they might make, or somebody might think like a famous artist.
It looks great, and they feel so good about it, too.
Exactly, and they're displaying their work. And then this is just, oil portraits are my favorite. I've been coveting them. I wanted one, but they can get to be like hundreds of dollars. This was in a coffee table book I already had, so I just cut it out, and it's a perfect 8x10. So framed it, and now she hangs above my bar cart.
I love her.
Just judging you as you make a cocktail.
I'd like to be friends with that lady.
Exactly.
Okay, decorative objects. Awesome ideas here.
Thanks. And decorative objects are a fun way to kind of play up your space, add a little personality, and these do not have to be expensive. So these hands, there's that aisle at Hobby Lobby that's kind of the weird resin sculptures. But you can turn any of them into really cute home decor with just a good coat of spray paint. So I did these gold, so they kind of look brass, but you could do white or black depending upon your decor. And it looks like a really expensive piece from a boutique or a designer, and it probably cost $5.
That is awesome. Okay, now what about the knot? You made this. It's so perfect.
So polymer clay is one of my most favorite DIY materials. It's so versatile. It never dries out. You just have to bake it in the oven to harden. And you can do it. The kids can do it. It's also, as you'll see, probably a good stress reliever if you just... It's kind of like a stress ball.
Just playing with it.
And so for this one, I mean, it could be a paperweight. It could be like I have it, just a decorative object. And you can get polymer clay at the craft store. And it comes in a variety of colors. This is white, but I mean, it comes in like a rainbow of colors. So you just have to, I've already kind of softened it up. And for this, you just roll it into like a snake. Make it kind of skinny.
Like that knot looks mass-produced. It's so perfect.
Thank you. It's just, and you'll see how easy this is. So you have your snake, and then you just tie a knot. And make like a little pretzel.
I want this to not look like the poop emoji. I want it to look legit like yours.
Just think pretzel, think pretzel.
Pretzel. Come on. Okay. It's sort of a knot.
And it doesn't have to be perfect.
I think I made it too thin, but it does kind of.
Well, and that's the good thing too about polymer clay
is
you can just smash it and start again.
And then how long do we bake this?
So for polymer clay, you want to do about in a low oven, so 275, and they say 15 minutes per 1/4 inch. This is about a 1/2 inch or a little thicker. So I did this for about 25 minutes or so, then let it cool off, and then it's hard and good to go. And it's really durable.
And you could spray paint that too if you wanted.
You could spray paint that, and like I said, they come in other colors if you wanted to do a pink one or
I love that.
blue or anything like that. And again, this is a perfect project for the kids.
I'm trying to get my Katie knot. Okay,
Oh.
it's better. It's better. Thank you. This is awesome. I love
welcome.
all of these. I'll take the lamps, please.
Okay.
You can find Spray Paint and Chardonnay on social media. See more of Katie's awesome lifestyle and DIY tips by heading to her blog, spraypaintandchardonnay.com.